Managing storage at busy venues doesn't have to mean big upfront costs. That's where Vpod GainShare comes in. A smart locker partnership model built for venues and their visitors. Here's how it works. GainShare lets venues offer secure, on-demand storage lockers to visitors, creating a new revenue stream while requiring zero capital investment. It's a risk-free, shared success partnership from day one. So why is this model so attractive? Because it turns unused venue space into a revenue-generating service. There's no upfront cost, reduced risk for the venue, and a scalable opportunity to grow revenue over time. Let's look at how the model actually works in practice. Vpod installs and maintains the lockers, manages the technology, and shares the resulting revenue directly with the venue, a true partnership built on mutual benefit. On the commercial side, the GainShare model defines a clear revenue split between Vpod and the venue, along with the responsibilities each party takes on to keep the partnership running smoothly. For customers, the experience is effortless. They simply scan a QR code, store their belongings, and retrieve them with ease, with the locker automatically resetting after each use, fully contactless from start to finish. Safety is built in at every step, with features designed to protect both visitors' belongings and the venue's peace of mind. And because it's a true partnership, responsibilities are clearly shared. Vpod and the venue each contribute what's needed to make GainShare a success. It's a smarter way to turn space into revenue together.